Hello viewers, so welcome to our maths problem. So today I want us to solve this. 7 to the power of x is equals to 42. So I want us to take the shortest time possible in order to solve this maths problem. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's begin with our solution. So on the solution, we are solving 7 to the power of x is equals to 42. So it's very difficult for us to express 42 to the base of 7. So now we shall be forced to introduce the logarithm. So we shall now say the log of 7 to the power of x is equals to the log of 42. So from there now, this one can also be written as x, the log of 7 is equals to the log of 42. So from there now, we shall now divide this by the log of 7. So this side also by the log of 7. So now the log of 7 and the log of 7 shall cancel. So now x is equals to the log of 42 all over the log of 7. So we can still express the log of 42 and now say that x is equals to the log of 42 can also be expressed as 7 multiplied by 6. Then you close the bracket all over the log of 7. So next we can now split and now say that x is equals to the log of 7 all over this one, the log of 7. Then the sign shall change to addition plus the log of 6 all over the log of 7. So meaning that we shall divide the log of 7 using both sides. So the log of 7 and the log of 7 shall cancel. So now x is equals to, this one now shall be 1 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 7. So now finally we shall now say that x is equals to, so x is equals to 1 plus, so this one can also be written as the log of 6 to the base of 7. So now that one now shall be our value for x. So now we shall now check. So let's check to confirm if that one is really true. So we shall have, so we had 7 to the power of x is equals to 42, and the value for x we've got at, so we've got said now x is equals to 1 plus the log of 6 to base 7. So where there is x we equal to that, so now we shall have 7 to the power of 1 plus the log of 6 to base 7 shall give us 42. So this one now is to mean that, so 7 to the power of 1 is like 7 times 1, which is 7. So according to the law of logarithm, this sign for multiplication shall now change to addition. So the log of 6 to base 7, similarly, when we have something like the log of a to base b, our answer shall be a. So let's now use this. So the log of 6 to base 7 shall be 6 is equals to 42. So now we shall now say that 7 times 6 is 42 is equals to 42. So we are indeed correct. So that's why we are saying that the value of x is equals to the log of, the value of x, the value of x is this one. The value of x is equals to 1 plus the log of 6 to the base of 7. So if you got that one, you did it very well. So let's stop there and see you in our next video. Bye bye.